Hi everyone, in today's session we are going to see about tree traversal. In this we are going to do an case study in solving a given problem statement. The problem statement which is given is that a person is planning to visit few different places and the connectivity between the places are represented in the form of tree. In this given tree there are totally 7 nodes. So in this problem a person is planning to visit 7 different places, and while visiting he might be following any order for visiting all these 7 nodes. In this, since this is in tree structure, the visiting of all the nodes are technically called as tree traversal. In tree traversal, basically the traversal is categorized into 3 different categories. It is namely of in-order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. So for providing solution for this problem statement, we might be possessing the solution using these 3 different types of tree traversal. For giving the solution, first we must know what are the 3 types of tree traversal. So first, before solving this problem, let's have a look into these 3 types. Tree traversal. Tree traversal is nothing but, as I said earlier, it is the process of visiting all the nodes in a given tree. Okay, as said earlier, the 3 ways of tree traversal are in-order, pre-order and post-order. First, let's see in-order traversal. In-order traversal is nothing but it is a process of traversal in which the traversal will be starting from the left subtree, then the root node will be visited, then the right side node will be visited at the end. In this order, all the nodes in the tree will be visited. This is known as in-order traversal. That is, for example, if we are having 3 nodes A, B and C respectively, A is the root node, B is the left node and C is the right node. In order traversal, as I said, first the traversal will be starting from left right. So the traversal will be started from B, then the root node will be reached, so A is reached. After that the right node will be traversed at last, so C. So B, A and C is the in-order traversal for the given example. All these 3 steps are given in the form of algorithm. First step is nothing but it is traversing left subtree followed by the root node, then right subtree. All these 3 steps will be followed recursively till completion of the full tree traversal. This is known as in-order traversal. Let's see what is pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal is nothing but the root node will be visited first, then followed by the left subtree and finally right subtree. It is given in the algorithm structure as root node first followed by left subtree and right subtree. These steps will be followed recursively till traversing all the nodes of the tree. If we consider the same example for C in-order traversal, in pre-order traversal it will be starting from the root node, right? So the traversal starts from A followed by the left subtree B, then finally right subtree C. So this is the pre-order traversal for this given example. Then finally we are going to see about post-order traversal. Post-order traversal is nothing but the root node will be visited at last. That is, the left subtree will be traversed first, followed by the right subtree, Finally, root node. It is given in algorithm structure, that is left subtree first, right second, followed by root node. All these three steps will be followed recursively till completion of the tree traversal for the entire tree. If we consider the same example A, B and C, and this, as I said, in post order starts from left subtree. It's from B, then for right subtree C, followed by root node A. This is the post order traversal for the given example. Now let's move for solving the problem which was given earlier. Okay, this is the problem statement which has given a person is planning to visit 7 nodes and the nodes are given with the numbers, and we have to perform the different types of tree traversal for all the nodes. That is the question given. Okay, let's see how to solve this in this problem. This is our diagram, and for performing the traversal, first we are performing pre-order. Pre-order is nothing but the root node will be visited first, followed by left and followed by right subtree. Here the root node is 27, so it is placed, followed by left node, it is 14, followed by right node. For 14 we are having left and right nodes. In that 14 is the root node, 10 is the left node for number 14. So 10 is placed after 14. After that we are moving to right node. The right node is 90. So 19 is placed, traversed after 10. Then we have completed the entire left subtree. We are moving to the right subtree. In the right subtree, the root node is 35. So it is placed first, followed by the left subtree. The left node is 31. It is placed after 35, and after that we are moving towards the right subtree. It is of 42. So 42 is placed at last. So the pre-order traversal for this given problem is completed. Then we are going to move for in order traversal. The in order traversal is nothing but first we will be performing the traversal of left subtrees, then the root node, followed by right subtrees. Here 27 is the root node. For that, left subtree is 14. 14 is also a parent node which is having left and right child. So for 14, 10 is the left node. So 10 is placed first, followed by the root node. It is 14 is the parent node, followed by right node, that is 19. After completion of the entire left subtree, we are moving to the root node. Root node is 27. After 27, we are going for a right side tree. In the right side tree, the parent node is 35. It is having two children, 31 and 42. So 31 is the left subtree. It is placed, followed by the root node, that is 35, then followed by the right subtree 42. So this is the travel sequence for in order traversal for our given problem statement. Then finally we are moving towards post order traversal. In post order traversal, as we have seen in the definition, it is nothing but the traversal will be performed in the left subtree initially, followed by right subtree traversal, and at last root node will be visited. In this given problem, 27 is the root node and 14 is the left subtree, and 14 has 10 and 19 as the subchild. So since left will be visited first, 10 is placed, followed by right node, that is 19, then the root node, that is parent node of these two subchilds, that is 14. After that, we have completed the entire left subtree. We are moving towards the right subtree. Our right subtree is 35, which is having two child of 31 and 42. In this, 31 is the left child. So 31 is traversed first, followed by the right child, which is of 42. Then the root node, that is the parent node of these two children are 35. It is visited, then the entire right subtree is completed. So finally we are moving towards the root node, that is 27. It is traversed. So this is our traversal sequence for this given problem statement under post order traversal. So for the given problem statement, that is a man planning to visit 7 different places, we have performed the traversal under 3 different categories, which is of in order traversal, pre-order traversal and post order traversal. This is a problem solution. That's it. I think it is clear about these 3 traversal techniques for solving this tree traversal problem. Thank you. Thanks for the day.